So I'm going to introduce another term because I think it's germane to the comment you're making there, right? And this is one that is probably not quite as universal. Again, not to get hung up on the terms, but I hear some folks, Dassault in particular, uses this one a lot. They use the term virtual twin. And a lot of times I think what they're talking about is it's the digital representation of something that eventually will get a physical representation. And as you're talking about sort of early stage, it makes me think like, well, maybe MBSE plays a big role in that virtual twin, but as we get into the more full defidelity, it's a diminished role. Is that some of what you're saying there?
I think that's a great way to say it. And again, without being pedantic and without being too precise, a systems level model, an MBSE level model, is going to be a first order type model. And so that virtual twin early in life is a great analogy. And then as you bring more and more fidelity and precision, then it's not that the first order model goes away. It is still the architecture. It is still kind of the tissue that binds together the high fidelity model, but it is in that virtual space. It's not to the surrogate shadow digital twin level where you're now at the full fidelity.